PA. You're welcome to Ojo Local Government for this program.
Thank you.
And I believe that that are seated here.
Ebola Dale.
Okay.
Project.
I'm the managing director of that network. Program Integrated Limited.
Now my keynote address. The executive chairman of Ojo Local Government in person of Honorable who is unavoidably absent. He would have loved to be there, but for official exigencies. He's ably represented by the vice chairman, Chief Mrs. Edith, or the supervisor for work, the supervisor for special duties. I'd like to recognize the presence of our representative from PPA, Mr. Wasiu, and the supervisor for environment. And I'd like to recognize the presence of the heads of department that are here present, our readers that are here, those for procurement units, all other protocols really extended. We are here. We thank God for today. That today is the day that the state government has appointed. That we should have bid opening for the 114 roads in Lagos State. And this is being done simultaneously in all the local government, in all the 57 local governments and LCD. So they're doing this program all over the state. And so we thank God that God has given us this privilege to have our own Ojo Local Government. May His name be forever glorified. And what I want to say is that we have done the needful concerning the bid opening. We have our bidders here seated. I wish all of you the best. I wish all of you the best.
If you can recollect, it did disclosing the advertisement. It says, check all the documents one by one. Nine zero one 885 423.70. That is 901,885,423.70. So the amount quoted is 517 523 082.62 517 523 082.62. So, meaning 517,523,082 naira 62 kobo. So, mistress Olad Nigeria Limited is quoting the following amount: 809 729 809 729 417.77, meaning 809,729,417 naira 77 kobo. That's the last one. So that means we have 3 bidders submitted. So that signifies the end of the bid opening. So there are questions from the floor. So we are ready to respond.